You do not need to be a designer to make really cute stickers in Cricut. This bear is made from circles, only circles, some ovals. All I did was go to shapes, choose a circle, that became the bear's head, and we can reduce that height to make it an oval instead. Let's give this a colour and make it a bit smaller. And then I added the rest of the body. So duplicating this, made it bigger again. We can align any of the shapes anytime, and you can bring them to the front or the back. I'll keep going and add even more circles and ovals until my bear is complete. When you've finished, we can select all of the circles and the ovals, and then if you don't want to add a white border, we can just flatten them, or I might add an offset. Let's go to Effects and then Offset, and I'll make it 0.1 and make it white. Select all of the elements including the offset and then flatten them together. And there is my completed bear sticker, ready to print and cut. We can use other shapes too, more circles and ovals to make this dog, triangles to make the fox, and then a combination of triangles and circles and ovals and lines to make this cute cat. So I hope you're feeling inspired to make stickers yourself in Cricut with very simple shapes, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. And to help you get started making stickers, I've put together a free starter kit. So click the link below to get access right now. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel for more sticker making tips and inspiration, and I will see you in the next one.